This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the Python binary and version you will use, and prepare any virtualenv or conda environment. Open Pycharm and go straight to Settings right arrow Project right arrow Python Interpreter so you can see the broken entry. Once visible, remove stale interpreters and note the expected path. This matters because Pycharm links by absolute path. Making these checks first prevents backtracking later and speeds up reconfiguration. Now you reattach or add the correct interpreter. Choose Add Interpreter and select System, virtualenv, or conda depending on your setup. Point Pycharm to the exact Python executable or to the environment folder. Click OK and let Pycharm index. This is important because indexing resolves built-ins and autocomplete. Once done, make sure your project SDK matches the interpreter, and, if necessary, reinstall missing packages so imports resolve. That step ensures run configurations won't fail. Finish by updating run configurations to use your new interpreter and run a simple script to confirm behavior. If inspections or auto-completion still look wrong, invalidate caches and restart Pycharm. This often clears stale metadata. If problems persist, check OS path and file permissions and ensure your virtualenv activation scripts are intact. Broken activation is a common root cause. Remember, reproduce the error, change one thing, and test again to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.